Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to start a campaign on Shopify. So let's start the video. First of all, open Shopify and then go to marketing and then campaigns. As you can see, there is no campaign. Click on marketing and here is the option of create campaign. Click on it. Now choose the campaign you want to run. There are ads, email, social post and SMS. Let's say email. Now first of all you have to fill all these. Your logo and then store name and then web safe font. Now you have to choose text color. Now buttons and links color. Now button labels and outlines. Now background. Now border. Now text and icons. Now links. And then background. After completing all these, click on next. Now here you have to choose the template. Let's say this one. Click on it. This is the template. Now click on select. Now here is your template. You can modify your template. You can modify anything. Colors, content background and text. And also picture. After completing that, you can send test if you want to any Gmail. So this is how you can start a campaign on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more helpful videos.